Welcome to our Flooring Minute, where we try to tackle commonly asked flooring questions in less than a minute. So this one is about white or light carpet. So for a lot of you, this might make sense already, but light carpet is more prone to stain. It's more prone to show foot traffic. It's more prone to show anything because it's light. So white carpet is really beautiful. It looks great. We love it. You just have to know that you're probably going to need to take your shoes off. You're going to need to have socks on when you walk around. You're probably going to have to clean it more often, and you will see dark things that fall on it. So like if you have a dark chocolate lab dog, you're going to see its fur on the white carpet. So it's just something to be aware of. It's really beautiful, but light is a little bit harder to upkeep. So hopefully that makes sense, and we appreciate you watching, and we will talk to you soon.